We're bored today, so let's go check out Langston Park. Check it out, y'all. Look at the grass now. The last time we were here, we were planting the sod, and the grass is actually growing up. Look at that. It's no longer sod anymore. But anyway, it's May 21st, and I'm just here for an update, checking out Langston Park. Let's see what it's looking like out here. As you can see, the tent is gone, but they still working on the building. So far, looking good. Progress is going up. Let's see. 5, 6, 7. This is Lauren's house here. This is number 8. All of this looking good. So the roofing is still being done here, the siding. Dang, I thought the siding was done on most of it. Check them all out, I feel like it's gonna rain again, so. Oh, look at the little patch they gave right here. Got a little garden right in the front. All right, let's go over and check out these townhomes over here. And this is the last house on this street. All right, they actually let me in the gate to come take a look at the townhomes, which is cool. So let's see what it looked like. All right, here's the first one. Sorry, I'm working so slow. Here, we'll do this. see what we get here. But yeah, here's the front of the houses again. All of Langston Park. It's all looking good. Ooh, I caught a raindrop. All right, let's bounce back out. Ooh. All right, well, I'm back to walk into the car. You can see the background here of Langston Park. Like I said, it looks really nice. I can't wait. So once we get to the point where I'm living in this area, yeah, you're gonna see me walking around here a lot. So probably will be meeting the neighbors, partying. I'm gonna find which one of my neighbors is a gamer. That'll be the first thing. Which one of them? So there'll be 24 of us or so living here until they build the townhomes. But here we are. All right, I'm back to the car. I'm right in front of my place. What do you say? So let's see. I actually need to walk around a little bit. I know this store across the street is open too. So I should probably take a look inside. What you think? Should we take a look inside? See what they got, if they got anything new, anything different. Oop, passed right by the car. So I guess we're going. Well, never mind. As you can see behind me, here it is, literally right across the street. But it looked like it's locked up. So I've seen them here when I arrived, but I guess they were stalking or whatever you do. They were stalking until they stopped enough and they were going, oh, they got hours of operation right here. So 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Interesting. But you look closed. Also, yes. So right behind me also is a bodega. Literally right across the street over here. So it's like when they build this up, man, I can't wait. It's going to be on and popping. Like whenever they start serving drinks and things like that, whenever they turn this into the bar and the store or whatever it is, yes, I need this right across the street. But they are renovating, it looks like. So I guess they're getting ready for the crowd that will be here. So anyway, here we are. I may as well head on back before it starts raining again. So let's get it ready. Let's pack up and leave. But yeah, the grass already looks good out here. So like I said, I really can't wait. Other than that, oh man, really? My face is up here. other than that, guess I will see you guys later. Man, I'm dark out here. Can't wait to meet all of my neighbors out here. Langston Park. But till next time, catch you later.